Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone X. This works on your iPhone X. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone turns off and you see the Apple logo, you can let go. Continue to hold. You can now release and let go of your phone. If you guys need any other assistance on how to do this, feel free to comment down below or message me on Instagram. And there you guys go, your iPhone has been force resetted.